Hello, my name is Nina, and I will be presenting on critical issues and the importance of ethics. So social media is a great tool for students to use as a participatory culture, though there are some guidelines that are important to be taught first, before engaging on any online source. As students, some may not be aware of how their information can be shared and used against them or to harm others. In our readings, there are some guidelines listed by the NPR Ethics Handbook that can be useful to follow as a journalist. And though it's listed to be followed as a journalist, I feel that it's useful for anyone that participate on social media to follow. And just for a quick recap on what participatory culture is, an example would be Facebook. Students are able to share content and engage with each other while learning new information. So that in itself is participatory culture. So some key points that are listed by NPR guideline list is accuracy. It is ethical to give statements that are correct and in context to what is being published. Fairness. It is important to not be biased in opinions and report on facts rather than presenting false information in an effort to please others. Another one is completeness. If the content is not fully completed, the audience may make false assumptions of the ending, and that's how misinformation can be spread. So it's important to give the full details before, rather than half the details. Another one is honesty. Of course, to be genuine and candid with the information being shared. It is also important to be transparent and reveal sources and how information was shared for the audience to see. So in many cases, I've seen where social media has been harmful to students. I feel that it is important to us educators to give students appropriate tools and skills to navigate through social media positively. The NPR guidelines shows the basics of how to produce content online. I would show the students how harmful information can be, such as the Boston bombing example. There are cases where online bullying can occur in participatory culture, and thus it is important that students are aware of this and know how to report or speak to an adult on how to report such bullying. I feel that if the students are just openly given social media is a very widely used tool by many people across the world. And though there is a lot of information, positive information that students can learn from, there's a lot of information that could do more harm than it is good. So, but if we as educators give students tools on how to navigate this, I feel that social media content could be a really great way for students to participate and engage with each other and learn new information. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope everyone has a great day.